Hi there, this is a review on the water blade or drying blade, used to remove water from vehicle panels. I don't actually use it on panels. The reason being is, if you get a little bit, although it's quite soft, and it's really soft, it only takes to get a little bit of grit or something like that. And that goes across the bodywork. It might cause a light scratch, not scratches like really visible, but probably more, when you get like swell marks and stuff like that through just general washing. There could be that risk, I suppose, that might happen. I only actually use this on glass, to especially in the summertime, because it just watermarks all the glass. I use around drying towels on the body, but I suppose, there's always that potential that it might cause light scratching on the vehicle body, especially if the vehicle's, got anything still on it. It's not super clean when you're drying it off using the drying blade. Some people use it for speed, to try and, get the water off the vehicle really quickly. I'm not saying that they're bad. All I'm saying is, if you do use one, it's got, the blade itself's got to be in really good condition. The vehicle would have to be absolutely super clean with nothing on it, and then that would sort of like eliminate the risk of sort of causing any light scratching. But other than that, I can't think how much this was. I think it was about £10. I've had it for a little while, so I just use it on glass. I don't tend to use it anywhere else. But it's good for that purpose, and that's the purpose I use it for. I don't know if any of you have used a drying blade at all, what your thoughts might be on it, if you think this, safe to use on vehicle body panels. Super clean cars perhaps, maybe. But yeah, I mean, it's really soft, sort of there, but I suppose with a little bit of grit got in there, sort of thing, it might cause some light scratches. I suppose it depends on how fussy you are with the vehicle that you're doing, I suppose. There we go, a little bit of a review on the drying blade, water blade, used for drying off vehicles. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please leave a comment, and please consider subscribing. Thank you.